Here in Bakersfield, we're at 45. Visibility, we're starting to lose it a little bit because there is some haze that will be building on the horizon. But for now, see these clouds coming through. Now, you're going to get a little fooled when you take a look at this satellite imagery. It looks like a Pineapple Express, doesn't it? It's a stream of subtropical moisture coming in from Hawaii. That's what we call a Pineapple Express. But a Pineapple Express is actually a name for an atmospheric river, which is a feed of strong moisture. This is just cloud cover that's coming through. So it's very high and thin for us. It's not going to be a rainmaker, even for Southern California. If you're heading that way, it's just some passing clouds. We'll have sunshine coming in and warming us up. And here at ground level, even though those clouds are coming up from the southwest, see how the winds for us where we live are coming in from the east. It's going to be a little breezy and pretty dry here in the mountains and down into the valley. So that's why we're going to talk about air quality getting worse after today. It's still in the good range for today, which is nice. So picking up our futurecast again, heading into tomorrow, here comes a cold front. Oh, never mind. That's just going to fade away. But I am still talking about the increasing clouds for Saturday into Sunday. I heard you laugh, Mike. But that rain chance Monday, again, see how the system is pretty tightly wound up to the north. I think it's just going to brush by with some cooler air for us, knock us down from these upper 60s that we're seeing building on Friday back down to the lower 60s early next week. But you're seeing 10% for Sunday, maybe into Monday with clearing skies that afternoon. Great news though, 23 ABC Bakersfield Christmas parade a week from tomorrow still looks dry and perfect. Kern River Valley 60s for you through early next week. I'm going to knock you down to 59 on Monday. So that means South Mountains as you build, it's going to be a beautiful weekend, but a cold high of only 50 on Monday.